Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to check graphics cards on this laptop. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then open the System Settings right here, then scroll all the way down and select About section, and in the About section you will see the graphics card that your laptop uses. For me it's Intel UHD Graphics 600, and it has 512 megabytes of video memory. And the other way to check your graphics card and also to learn more information about it is to right click the taskbar and open the task manager, and in the task manager you can go to the performance section right here, select the GPU section, and here you will also see the name of your graphics card, the GPU memory, and basically all the information about driver, DirectX, and physical location of your graphics card, as well as the live monitoring of it in real time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.